What's up? How you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day out there, wherever you're at. Today we're at a box opening. Yeah, right here. Open this box. Uh, that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, which never mind. I already opened the box, so I know what's in the box, and I know that it's damaged, but y'all don't know that. Bam. Got a lost tip, and there is the damage. So I'm gonna fix it. I think I can bend that back out. I'm gonna try to do that, and we'll see what happens. So let's go outside and do a cold start pretty much, because I didn't start it today. We'll go start it up. I'll give you start up without the tip, and I guess with the tip. Let's see what I need. Okay, I think I might have that. We'll see. Here we go. All right, we're here at the truck. Alright. Hold on. I'm gonna sit y'all down back here. Where y'all gonna go? Hope y'all can see. Alright. Y'all heard what it sounds like? Yeah. Y'all heard what it sounds like when it starts up. Now we're gonna try to fix this. Let's see if we can fix this with some, we're gonna try. Pretty sure y'all don't want to see me do this, so I'll get back with y'all. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can get it on there. does not want to fit on there. Right? It's bent. Alright. We're gonna have to do some finagling, I guess. That's what we're gonna have to do. So, alright. I'll get back with y'all. I finally got my exhaust put on. I had to cut it, the top of it in half. I didn't show y'all that. But I had to cut the top in half to get it fit on there like I needed to. And then I went and bought a clamp and clamped it on there. So that's how it's sitting right now. Right now, I'm finna give you guys somewhat of a cold start. So yeah, hold on, let me show you. Oh, dang. Show you guys what's going on here. I don't know if you can see that clamp. And I cut it. So here you go, guys. Somewhat of a cold start because this ain't been started in a week. So here we go. So yeah, that's what it sounds like now. And yeah, there we go.